Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mr. English Fusion channel. You're watching another episode of Easy English Daily. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Today we're learning simple English phrases for work, real phrases you can use in real situations.
Yes, if you work in an office, a shop, a hotel, a factory, anywhere, today's phrases will help you speak more confidently at work.
And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more friendly English practice.
All right, let's start learning. Take a deep breath, relax. You're doing great already. Can you help me? Our first phrase is simple and useful. Can you help me? Listen, can you help me?
Good. This phrase is great when you need support at work. Example: Can you help me with this email?
Let's say it again together. Can you help me? Nice, easy, and clear. I'll do it right away.
Our next phrase is, I'll do it right away. This means you will start now, not later. Now.
Example. Your boss says, please print this file. You say, I'll do it right away.
Let's repeat, I'll do it right away. Great job. I need more time.
Sometimes we are busy. We need more time. So say, I need more time. Listen, I need more time.
Example: I need more time to finish the report. Easy, polite, and clear.
Let's say it again. I need more time. Nice. You're improving already. Let me check.
This phrase is super common at work. Let me check. It means you will look for the answer.
Example. A customer asks, is the item in stock? You say, let me check.
Repeat after us, let me check, and good job. I'm not sure.
It's okay if you don't know something. You can say, I'm not sure.
Example: I'm not sure. Let me ask my manager. See? Simple, friendly, and honest.
Let's repeat, I'm not sure. Perfect. Mini listen repeat practice. Quick review.
All right, let's practice all the phrases quickly. Listen first, then repeat.
Can you help me? I'll do it right away. I need more time. Let me check. I'm not sure.
Great job. If you repeated with us, you just practiced real English for real work situations.
Okay, friends, let's recap today's key phrases. Can you help me? I'll do it right away. I need more time. Let me check. I'm not sure.
You can use these at work, in the office, with customers, anywhere. Practice them this week and see how much easier your English feels.
And we want to hear from you. Community question. What is the first thing you do when you start work?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thanks for listening.
And see you in the next episode.